Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English in Minutes. I'm Natasha, your host for today. If you're new here, I just want to let you know that we post a new English learning video every single day to help you improve your English faster and more naturally. In today's lesson, we're going to look at something incredibly useful, 50 of the most common English phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. These are the types of expressions native speakers use all the time. They're short, easy to remember, and super practical. Once you get familiar with them, your speaking will instantly sound more natural and fluent. Not only will these help you boost your English listening and speaking skills, but they'll also allow you to express yourself more confidently in different situations. Whether you're chatting with a friend, asking for help, ordering food, or just making small talk, these phrases will be useful in your daily life. We'll look at real-life conversation examples so you can hear how these phrases are naturally used and learn how to use them in your own speaking. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and ready to use these expressions in real conversations. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss our daily English lessons. Now, grab your pen and notebook, and let's dive in. Let's start with phrases people often use when greeting each other. Instead of just saying hi, try something like, "Hey, how's it going?" or "What's up?" These are casual, friendly ways to start a conversation. For example, if you run into a friend at the store, you could say, "Hey, how's it going?" and they might reply, "Not bad, just picking up a few things." This sounds much more natural than simply saying hello. Another handy phrase is "long time no see." You use this when meeting someone you haven't seen in a while. For instance, you might say, "Hey, long time no see. How have you been?" Imagine bumping into an old classmate. You say, "Hey, long time no see." And they respond, "Yeah, it's been a while. Work's been keeping me busy." Now let's look at phrases for asking how someone is doing, besides the basic "How are you?" Try "How are things?" or "How's everything?" These sound more relaxed and natural. You could say, "How's everything going at work?" or "How are things with your family?" Practicing with different situations helps you get comfortable using these. Think of a friend who just started a new job. Ask out loud, "How's everything going with your new job?" Then imagine their response, "It's going great, thanks for asking." When you want to agree with someone, there are more natural ways than just saying yes. You could say, "Exactly," or "That's so true." For example, if someone says, "Learning English takes time," you can respond, "Exactly, it's a step-by-step journey." Or if they say, "It's been really hot lately," you reply, "That's so true, I've had the fan on nonstop." Practice this. Think of a simple opinion, like, "Weekends feel too short." Now answer with, "Totally, they fly by." To show surprise or interest, use phrases like, "No way," or "You're kidding." For example, if a friend says, "I won the lottery," you can say, "No way, that's amazing." Or if someone says, "I met a celebrity at the cafe," respond with, "You're kidding, who was it?" These kinds of responses make conversations feel more real and engaging. If you want to ask someone for a favor, try saying, "Can you do me a favor?" or "Would you mind helping me out?" These sound more polite than just saying, "Help me." You could say, "Can you do me a favor and review this email?" or "Would you mind giving me a lift?" Let's try it. Imagine you need help moving a box. Say aloud, "Would you mind helping me carry this?" And picture the response, "Of course, happy to help." When offering help, you can say, "Do you need a hand?" or let me know if you need anything. For instance, if a friend is cleaning up after a party, ask, "Do you need a hand with the dishes?" Or if someone seems stressed, you can say, "Let me know if you need anything." Now, imagine a friend carrying a pile of books. Say, "Do you need a hand with those?" Talking about plans, a very common phrase is, "I'm down for that," meaning you agree. If someone says, "Let's go to the beach tomorrow," you reply, "I'm down for that." Or if they suggest, "Let's meet at 5," you can say, "Sounds good." These are great for everyday planning. Try this. A friend says, "Want to grab coffee later?" You say, "Sounds good. I'll text you when I'm free." Now, how about ending conversations? Instead of just saying goodbye, try, "I'll catch you later," or "Talk to you soon." These make things sound more friendly and warm. For example, after a nice chat, you might say, "It was great talking to you. I'll catch you later." Think of the last person you spoke with and imagine saying, "Talk to you soon. Take care." Often in conversations, people add short phrases like, "You know what I mean?" or "right?" at the end of a sentence to keep the listener involved. For example, "It's hard to stay focused these days. You know what I mean?" Or, "That movie was slow, right?" Try it. This weather